Hi everybody and welcome back to the mountain behind my house. Today I wanna go to the actual summit and record some very cool videos with my gear because there is a church right at the summit and it's super cool. But I have to carry this very heavy backpack to a very steep trek. And my leg don't work very well because I don't train them at the gym too much. I only do upper, so I will need a little bit of help. Inside this pouch we have a super cool piece of technology. This is called the Hypershell X Ultra S, and it's a super powerful exoskeleton, and they say is the most intuitive exoskeleton out there. In order to wear it, you will need to open these clasps and actually extend the arms to your body size. This will be written in the app the first time you connect the exoskeleton. And you just put it around your waist, it's super lightweight, and tighten it enough so you can still slit a couple of fingers. And then we will have to attach the leg parts. Actually, I can extend this a little bit because I'm a little bit tall. Wrap this part around your leg and close the clasp. And tighten it again. And boom. And finally, let's put on this very heavy backpack. I look ridiculous with two of these. Maybe not that much, but it fits nicely. Of course, you want the backpack to be a little bit higher. You see, I have two mounting points. I had to lower it so it doesn't sit completely on the exoskeleton. But it's actually nice if it sits a little bit because it removes a little bit of the weight from my shoulders. And finally, let's turn it on. Click once and press until it becomes green. We have 1 out of 4 lights. This is the minimal assist. And I can already start to feel the exoskeleton helping me walk. And it's very nice. But of course, we have a very steep incline there. So I'm gonna actually press twice, and press twice, and we have 4 bars. Green is eco mode. If you keep pressing, you go into hyper mode, and this is the most powerful settings. And you can see my legs start acting quite funny. It's so easy going uphill like this. It's crazy because my legs feel on auto walk. My legs are a puppet. Every time I want to step forward, it understands I'm stepping forward and it raises my leg. And then when I apply force on the bottom, it pushes on it and it feels super effortless. It has 1000 watts of power, both motors. So really, even if I am a big guy, can push me, no problem. And even if it is at max power, it's crazy how whisper silent it is. You can hear the slightest whistle, but the gravel on the ground makes way more noise. And also the response time feels super natural, like it doesn't lag behind. It's 0.3 milliseconds. And you can even fine-tune it in the app. And to achieve that, they built an AI model for this exoskeleton called Hyperintuition, which tries to anticipate your movements. And you can see in the app it has many different movement styles. You have walking, running, stairs, and even bicycle. And it understands based on your position what you're doing. So it's just crazy. It switches automatically between them. So if I start running, it actually switches instantaneously, but in the app you can manually select what you're doing. And just to do an experiment, let's try disabling the exoskeleton just by quick pressing the button. Now it's blue, oh my god! And I am so used to the exoskeleton, it became natural to my body, and I feel crippled, it's crazy, like I don't feel my legs anymore. Like, it is this hard to walk like without it. We are going very uphill, but oh my god, it's super hard to walk. Let me reactivate it. Ooh. It makes a ton of difference, like you cannot even imagine how much difference it makes. It has 1.3 horsepower, this thing, and it really helps you a lot, and especially it's crazy how natural it feels because my legs like don't work anymore if I disable it. And it's not like it's offering resistance because it's very smooth if you disable it. It's just like so steep. And it's no problem even of different kinds of terrain. Like this is super uneven and it seems to adapt nicely. Like if I wanna climb more, it helps me still. And it's super intelligent. We arrived at the church on top of the mountain. Look at this beautiful view, it's amazing up here. And actually I'm gonna rest for a bit because even if I had the exoskeleton, the backpack is quite heavy. I'm not too tired because this exoskeleton at max power removes about 40% of your heart rate and 40% of your oxygen consumption. But still, it's nice to sit a little bit and remove this backpack. Oh my god, now I feel very agile. And I'm gonna take this drone for a spin. And in the app you also have a lot of statistics about your use. For example, today we did 3,500 steps or 2.1 kilometers of distance and 278 meters of climbing. So it's quite nice. Now the battery is sitting at 44%. It will do 30 kilometers at the lowest settings if you're just walking, or if you put in hyper mode, max power is gonna do about 6 kilometers. Easy because it helps you descending as well. It's like softening the load on your knees. Very nice. Like I feel very agile despite having a thing on me. And still you have a lot of mobility. Like you cannot fully open your legs this way, sideways, but otherwise I don't feel I have anything on me. It's very, very comfy. And we are back at the starting point. I have done this climb a few times without any gear, but with backpacks and also without, and it's been much more tiring. So for sure this thing works. Today it was almost a breeze. Going uphill still I had to put some of my own, but it removed a lot of the strain. And coming downhill it was very nice because it would soften my step and not let me gain too much speed. So it's very, very intelligent. And after coming downhill we did a 4.5 kilometer round trip and the battery is still at 23%. So I believe it can reach 6 kilometers in optimal, less climby condition. But still it's very easy to swap the battery pretty quick and change it. And I have another one just in case. And also you have a 4 battery charging hub. So when you're at home you can charge different batteries so you can do many kilometers. I was not expecting it, but this exoskeleton can also help you on a bicycle. The bike will be off for this test. I'm gonna start with the exoskeleton off. And of course this is a very fat bike, so it's very hard to pedal. Let's try turning it on. Okay, engaged. And as you might expect, it's much smoother and easier now. It's crazy. And it understands naturally what I'm doing. If I pedal faster, it helps me better. But yeah, if you have to pedal for a long time, even without an electric bicycle, this thing can really help you on that regard as well. This chicken called it for a chicken chase with some of the most unexpected thing I could chase it with. It also comes with a mode called fitness. When you activate it, it actually offers resistance, and this will eventually grow your muscles. It feels like running or walking on snow, on sand. I feel like this exoskeleton is gonna be helpful for a variety of different people. First of all, if you're someone like myself, I enjoy taking in the view and going to places with beautiful sceneries. What I don't enjoy is getting there and walking. If I could take my car and just get there, I will do it 100%. Maybe I am a little bit lazy, but also I have this thing in my mind that every time I have to go somewhere nice, I have to carry a lot of gear, the drones, the cameras, and maybe a couple bottles of water, because someone may need it. And I end up with a big and heavy backpack. And at the end of the day, I work slower, and when I come back, I am demolished. Also because I'm not used to do trekkings. I do them once in a while, and my legs and my muscles, of course, they don't like it too much. And using this device to go up the mountain with a big backpack felt even better than going without anything. And the next day I felt way fresher, which is crazy. So for sure it works. And if you are a backpacker, a video maker, a photographer, maybe you go camping and you have a lot of gear on you, this will for sure extend your human mileage. You will feel less tired and you can visit more. And if you don't have to carry heavy weights on your back, this makes walking activities a breeze. Maybe your friends go hiking and trekking often, you don't, and every time you go with them you feel left behind, you walk slower. This thing will give you a huge boost, and probably you will be better than them as long as you have charged batteries to put into it. And I've also read that a lot of couples break up when going on trails, and this is called alpine divorce, and basically one significant other is left behind by the good hiker. So maybe this can be a high-tech solution for that, or maybe just find a better partner. And that's all for today. As always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. If you want to help this channel and check out this super cool exoskeleton, check out the links in the description below. Thank you so much and happy walking. Bye!